Welcome to my channel. Ever wondered what's inside one of these motion sensors? Security motion lights with the dual lamps, and with this, and what happens when this PIR motion sensor doesn't shut off, stays on, or it doesn't senses. You may have tried many things, maybe unplug it for a few minutes or half hour, try readjusting sensitivity right here. Sorry, hard time focusing that because of its LifeCam HD by Microsoft. So try to maximize, minimize sensitivity, put it on test mode, and still doesn't work. So what do? You just crack it up, see what's inside. So I did that, but you can always make these two lamps direct to the line, and you can take this off PIR. Then these would work with the switch. So I tried to cut those out, remove these, unbind those wires, separate them, and also separate the PIR wires. I have already done that, and these three wires come through this hole, and then it's very easy. Unscrew that, twist open, and this separates. Now this is all you need to see, and this is the main circuit that switches on and off and senses the motion. Alright, here it is. Tools you need: something to pry. It's not easy to come off. You need a slight screwdriver, or maybe a small hammer, about half a pound, I would say 8 ounces or so to 12 ounces. Okay, here you go. So it was very tightly glued, this part and this part, and this is it. And one thing, before you attempt to open it, just for fun, use a blade to separate this part and this part. Trying to focus. Right, you cut that in an arc form. Cut this layer, top one, and then that's one thing that's joining it, and you got to do the harsh way. Get one of these at some place, it'll break. Bam, 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 and finally it'll start to show cracks here and here, and you can see already cracked this one because this upper one is bonded to this one, to the leg arm here. Okay, rest of it I will do with you following me, and it's easy. Crack it up. Right, okay, see, cracked up already. Okay, now let's see. Alright, I get it. Something else is, see the circuit board? There you go. Don't want to damage it too much. It needs a banking on this side too. but I'm trying not to do that on my computer table here. Alright, this way. Whatever, this is trashed. Alright, what's inside? What's holding it? You can see this is the front lens, and this goes in here. A snug fit. Maybe some glue was holding it all together. Very strong plastic housing, very strong. And this is it. That's the relay. That's a capacitor, polyester resistance. And as we look inside, as we pop, put this aside, put rest of the stuff away, pull it up. Okay, this is separate. Okay, pull it up slowly, but the wires won't let you do that. You need the wires to go through here. Okay, come on. That thing inside, see that? That thing in there. That thing is a PIR sensor. That one. Sensitive thing. Try to be gentle. Let's see, you wanna come first? Come on. You wanna come too? Okay, you come also. That's a small chip. I was trying to see if anybody has cracked it on YouTube, but after reading the comments, people would say go get a new one for some other videos. You know, nobody had shown how to open this as of today, and you know, why not to take a peek inside what's inside, and maybe something you could fix, or maybe not. You know, that's a LDR, light detecting resistor. Maybe that's bad. Who knows? One of the capacitors is bad. You have to check, you know, and it's just a learning process. What do you think, guys? So here we have the circuit board. I think I okay, let's take it out slowly. Push it, push the wires. Maybe this is holding it, maybe another thing is holding it. Okay, it won't let it because there is a rubber gasket is holding it. Alright, this one is holding it from going any further. Let's take this away. And take this out as well. If you want the whole circuit out, you have to remove this. Okay, why not cut it? Sure, why not cut it? Easy. That's plenty. Okay, let's make it all the way. There you go. Easily slide out. There you go, have it. Housing put aside. Let's see what we can find here. Variable resistor, capacitor, another 4 capacitors. What could go wrong in this? Capacitor, is it you? What happened to your leg? Oh my goodness, due to the brute force I applied, the capacitor has been separated from its one of the pins legs. Anyway, this is trash, but I could find a replacement. Alright, that's a damage that I caused. Anyway, more next time. Thanks for watching. And on the back side, oh, I see some damage, moisture damage. This was outside. Some moisture damage, some rust. That's rust. That's rust on the switch. Maybe sometimes they make those contact points made up of more of a steel, more ferrous materials. They rust, corrode easily. Alright, here is what we wanted to see. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like. Thank you. Bye bye.